The Silt Cliffs Triangle area is located between Highland Drive and Owl Road in Valley View. Access is from Valley View Arena. It is an area of ridges, gullies, sinkholes, and benchlands in the grasslands below Juniper Ridge. There's no official trails, but we can hike for 1 to 2 hours on tracks and routes in the sagebrush grasslands. There are many sinkholes in this area, the Valley View Silt Cliffs, some of which are well-like, so you have to be careful around the edges. A bit windy here for speaking into the camera, but I'm at top of the Silt Cliffs looking into a deeply incised gully. I'm going to go up to the head of it and cross over to the other side.